Hi everyone, we are going to learn about in this topic that is evidences of evolution. So what is exactly evidences of evolution? So evidences of evolution means we can say morphological evidences we are going to see and anatomical evidences. So what is the difference between morphological evidences and anatomical evidences? Let's begin to see one by various examples. So here we can see the diagram it is being shown. Observe the following image and the similarities between animal image and plant image. So we can see the similarities are there little bit and the differences also are there in the morphology. So basically what is morphological means it is the external part of the study we can say. So, various similarities like structure of mouth, position of eyes, structure and nostrils and ear pinna and thickly distributed hairs on the body of animals are being seen. So, whatever the structure it is being shown that all the living organism it is having same, but the facial expression we can say or appearance it is different we can say. So, that is a morphological study. From that we come to know exactly what is the difference between them. Next one, in the plants we can see leaf shape, leaf venation, leaf petiole. All the things it has been present in the plant, but the fruits we can say flowers, leaves, their shapes, size, they are all different we can say. So by observing from the outside we come to understand exactly what is the morphology of the plants. This indicates that there are similarities in those groups, and hence it proves that the origin must be same and must have their common ancestors, means they have their common ancestors which has been developed from the previous one. Now next one we can see anatomical evidences. Now anatomy means what? Study of internal structure we can say. So study of internal structure is nothing but we can say anatomy means whatever the bones are present in the human being or the living organism. So that study is nothing but we can say anatomical evidences. So basically the bone structure it is being shown. First a diagram it is of human hand, second is a cat's foreleg, third is a pentagram of bat, and fourth is a flipper of whale. So from this we can come to understand study of internal structure, how it has been differ we can say each and every living organism have different structure. If we carefully observe the pictures there doesn't seem any superficial similarity between human hand, means we cannot say similarity same thing it is not there the bone of the structure we can say. Similarly use of each of those structure it is different respective to animal. So from this diagram we can come to understand exactly the structures are different. There is a similarity in structure of bones and bony joints in organ of those animals. This similarity indicate that those animals may have their common ancestors. So which are the different organs in the body of organism? We can say a lot of things are there in the human body organism, the different types of heart, kidney, lung, liver, pancreas, all those are the organs in the body of the organism it has been present. Second question it has been asked, each of the organism useful to organism? We can say few of them are useful and few are the parts that is we can say that is not useful to human being we can say. Thank you all of you.